We will continue our discussion on the book The Joy of X by Steven Strogatz, a guide to mathematics from 1 to infinity. Today we will talk about location. Actually, the location is about the location of a digit in a number. But I will give the flow of the chapter. He says that he is talking about the statue. He says that I would have walked past his statue hundred of times without even glancing at his greenish likeness. But then one day I stopped for a closer look. So when you read it, you read the second line. Second line is what? The second line says that it is actually his birth year and death year. So it is written in Roman. So you can see the difference in Roman written, and its meaning is 1807 to 1874. So Roman numerals may look impressive, but they are hard to read and cumbersome to use. User would have little patience for that. Okay. So here he discusses about how different number system evolved and what are the issues with Roman system, and then he talks about how we developed different 60 base systems. Okay, in Roman system, 4 is written like this, IV, whereas 6 is written as VI6. B is the 5. Okay, he discusses this, and then he talks about the Indo-Arabic numeral system currently we use. Okay, which makes it easier to write any. So he said, but in the Indo-Arabic system, it is a snap to write any number, no matter how big. All numbers can be expressed with the same 10 digits, merely starting them the right places. Furthermore, the notation is immediately concise. So he says that here the concept of place values, and with 10 digits, you can write any digits. And also here the important point is, the important thing is zero, how zero is used. So he says that how 10 base system developed. Okay, because it is biological, we have 10 fingers. Okay, that way. But he said finally he tried to conclude. Then there are two bases, and in that context he discusses about what is actually importance of hexagon. Actually, he is the track to the is almost completely obscured. Is a telegraphic machine, a modest reminder of his role in the creation of Western Union and then together of the North American countries. So he worked with Moore. Okay, Colonel worked for Samuel Morse, whose name starts in the code of Dawson, and these two labels. So Morse code was developed, and later he participated in the communication revolution. Okay, that Morse sent the first message. Okay, that way. First message, what has God brought. So actually, he participated in communication revolution. Thank you.